You are looking at Julian's pronunciation guide, where we look at how to pronounce better some of the most mispronounced words in the world, like this other curious word. But how do you say what you're looking for today? So you are wondering how to pronounce the name of this city in the Netherlands, the 10th largest city over there, I believe. So yes, the spelling makes it super confusing, but let's break down the pronunciation. The Dutch pronunciation is as Nijmegen. Nee, okay. It's not Nij or Nej. Nijmegen. Okay. If you cannot pronounce Dutch perfectly, you can say it as Nijmegen. Nijmegen. Here are more videos on how to pronounce more confusing words and names too many mispronounced. Like this video if you found it useful. I appreciate your support. I'll see you soon and thanks for watching.